They love that little pie plate full of water with it, and I um, turn the upper water on just a little drip, and I turn off the hose so it backs up and drips from above. What you can't see is a bunch of little birds. There's a bunch of little birds around that are outside the focus of the camera. But once you move the camera, it takes a long time to focus because it wants to focus on the door between me and them. Cute. I love the birds. I love them all. So little baby birds often have yellow beaks. They almost iridescently glow. Mom and dad have to feed them. And in the nest, they just shine this yellow beak. So all these little faces look up at their mom and dad. And so once in a while, you'll see they'll open their mouth and you'll see that they have a yellow beak. That means they're little babies. And then they lean over and let mom feed them, which gives it away.